Good tidings, my fellow burp enjoyers. Burpers. Burpees. Burpees?
Burpee.
Welcome back to the piano. It has been a while. You know, I keep apologizing for it, but I mean, at this point, it's just kind of like, I feel like that's kind of built in. You may notice that there's some changes. There's no longer a window right here. There's been some renovations, some innovations, some vations of some sort.
Vations.
I figured it was time to make another video because my parents may be selling this place soon, which is really sad. So one more good old-fashioned romp in front of the piano. And I figured today was a good day to make a video kind of showcasing some of the best burps that we have had in front of this piano and just throughout the channel in general, because I started this channel, I think, let's see, I'm 27. It's been over 10 years. I can't even remember when I do it. I'll throw some little thing here into the edit. Anyway, I figured this was a good chance for me to make a compilation of Tim's Best Burps. Put a little thing right there. Tim's Best Burps. Yeah. Goodness. I haven't really done this in a while, so I feel like I'm a little out of practice. So anyway, sit back, relax, and enjoy some of the best burps of the past decade, or however long.
Proceed.
Isn't it fun to look back and see just how gross I am? Yeah, seriously, I've been doing this for a long time, and I just wanted to give a special... I just wanted to give you all a special thanks for those who have been watching me for a long time. This channel started out as a fun little America's Got Talent audition that I sent in, and I actually went on the show, but I didn't make it through. I have 3 seconds of fame. Roll it.
Can change your life. One show.
There's cute little 16-year-old me. But ever since then, it has evolved into something kind of weird, but but it's been fun. And I realize I don't really dish out content as much as a lot of you would like, which again, I'm sorry for, but you know, life. But I promise you this will not be the last one. We will continue. And even if it's not in this house anymore, you might just see a few little Tim Ballard burps.
That's me.
So once again, thank you all for watching, subscribing, and enjoying this channel. And I hope you continue to enjoy it in the future.
I'll see you all in another video.
My goodness, I'm weird.